today. We got McDonald's, 4 items, 5.9 miles. Let's do it. I only got a 30-minute slot, so I'm gonna just go ahead and knock this out. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader. Today is gonna be day 2 of trying out Doordash Earn by Time. Now, okay, it's not really day 2. I've tried it out before, but this is day 2 trying it out in a new state. And things have been changing, and things are way different than when they were back in the day when I tried. So I'm planning on getting my acceptance rate all the way over 70%. Will I make it all the way to 100? I don't know. That means I gotta do 100 orders. Is it gonna be 100 in a row, or am I gonna keep the wheels rolling? We gonna see. But look, I got my first order. We heading over to McDonald's. It's 5 miles on this one, 4 items. The time right now is 9:17, and I'm only scheduled until 9:30. I only had a 30-minute block in the morning, and I was late out the house. So I got this one order, and I'm finna hurry up and get over there. Now, if I can extend my dash, I will, but I've been trying this whole time, and it ain't looking like I'm finna be able to. So it is all good. This may be the only order I get for this block, but as soon as I can, I will be hopping right back on the schedule. Scooter gang, he got that thing parked in the right spot. It's raining right now. I think this McDonald's might be drive-through only. Up a DoorDash order this morning. Is the lobby open?
No.
Oh, okay, I didn't think so. I saw the sign on the door. So yeah, I'm just picking up a DoorDash order.
What's the last 3?
It's gonna be C0S. That's a good sign, guys. Look, first order of the day, and you know what? The drive-thru was moving along. It was moving at a good clip. I honestly didn't even stop at all. All the cars were moving from the time I entered the drive-thru. So that's cool. That's a good sign. Let's get this one done. Alrighty, we are dropping off order number 1. First order of the day. Day number 2, DoorDash Earn by Time. Make sure you use that DoorDash hot bag. Look at that. Let me take a picture, hold on. First order of the day. Is it gonna be a tip? What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be? It just say 9:27. It don't even show me. I'm gonna have to go back in and see it, because I just see 9:27. My dash is ended. But I think I got another one scheduled. Yep, I'm scheduled for 10. Let's see if they let me in early. Back in action, $13 an hour. Active time plus customer tips. I got $9 on that last order, but I couldn't see the payout because my dash ended right away. Let's go ahead, hop back in there. Alrighty, you see the time? It is 10:13. I've been sitting 13 minutes and ain't got an order. Finally got one. Subway, 1 item, 6 miles. Order number 2. Make it do what it do. Dash in the rain again. Well, at least Subway ain't packed. How you doing? Picking up a DoorDash order. I think, yep, that's it right there. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Alrighty, order number 2, ready to go. If you ever get a customer and it says contactless delivery, hand to me and leave at door, what you can do is you can take a picture in the app and send it to them as a message. And you also can open up the chat support and you can send a message that way. So I'm sending them a message through chat support. And I'm gonna put order delivered. Boom. Now I'm good to go. Order been dropped off. Let's see what our total gonna be. Yep, order complete. We got a $5 tip, $4.25 base pay, and it only took 19 minutes. That's a great order. Nice. We going to Chick-fil-A, and guess what? I'm already on the way. Let's go. First Chick-fil-A order of the day. I think I'm like an hour and a half in. Besides that little wait I did after the first order, hopefully they keep the wheels rolling like this, because I need to consistently make money today. Oh man, they locked the driver entrance, so we going through the front door, y'all. So it's like a 50-50 chance on if that door is gonna be open. I don't really like walking all the way around, but it's all good. Let's see if they got my order ready. Ooh, it's something over there. Hello. Hello. See if we in luck. We are in luck. These Earn by Time orders be ready to go. That's the 3rd order of the day that was ready to go. I saw a lot of people commenting on that first video, and they were saying, like, you know what, when it come to Earn the Time, these are the orders that everybody else declining, which makes perfect sense, right? So, you know, 9 times out of 10, they gonna be ready. And look, from experience, this Chick-fil-A, when you get a good order, you usually gotta wait a couple minutes for it, because it don't usually be ready. But I'd be okay with it because I know it's construction over here. So if I take an order for this Chick-fil-A when I'm cherry picking, I usually don't mind waiting a couple minutes for it. And that's how this Chick-fil-A is. They quick, but they usually don't have them just sitting there, because it's usually not a terrible amount of no-tip orders that come out of this one. So when I get in there, then I see my order sitting there, it's like, all making sense because, okay, earn by time, you know what I'm saying? You're gonna have more orders. That's basically, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, my internet ain't working. Let me get my stuff together. Earn by time, you're gonna basically have more declined orders going over to earn by time, which is beneficial for the folks that's using earn by time because now you're gonna have more orders throughout your shift that's ready to go. So that's perfect for me. All right, we back on. I'm connected. I lost my internet connection for a second. We good. Boom, back on the road. So yeah, like that's what I'm saying. You gotta make an educated decision when you thinking about what restaurants you wanna go to while cherry picking. But I mean, on earn by time, some folks was telling me like, look, you're doing these orders too fast. We need to take your time because you get paid by time, right? And I get that. That makes perfect logical sense, right? But here's the thing though. I'm not trying to make money doing earn by time. I'm trying to make money once my acceptance rate gets over 70%. Right now, my main goal is completing as many orders as I can. That's why I'm using earn by time because one, I wasn't even seeing orders really at all. You know, being a cherry picker with a low acceptance rate. But the orders that I did see, you know, it wasn't no way I was gonna be able to accept every order or even accept orders consistently to raise them. Because when I see $2 going any amount of miles, I just can't stomach it. I don't want to sit it on the ground. We're gonna sit it right there. Here you go. Thank you.
Thank you.
No problem. You too. Thank you. Order was dropped off, handed it right to the customer. I did get an emergency photo though. What we got? $7.14, $4.14 on the base pay, and $3 on the tip. Took me 19 minutes to do it, so not terrible. Wait, why? Okay, all right, I'm going to Subway. 2.3 miles, 2 items. At least this one is the lowest mile order I've gotten so far. We taking that, and I must be close because it sent it to me. That's the first.
South on Professional Park Drive.
Yep, it's right. Oh no, it's in this parking lot, so that's cool. At least they sent me an order for a restaurant where I'm at already, so I can rock with that. You know, it must be right over here on the other side of this gas station. All right, we good. I'm finna slide up in this next Subway and get order number 4. I ain't playing no more. Literally was only 1 minute away. All right, Subway. I need you to go ahead and hook me up. Subway will be closed for Easter Sunday. Hello, good morning. How y'all doing this morning? I'm doing great. Hey, $2 tip. At least it wasn't no tip. That's cool. Right, family. So I officially think I've been on Doordash today for 2 hours. $20.39 on this one and $9 on the first one, so almost $30 or maybe $30 in the first 2 hours on earn by time. Dash time, not active time, because if it was active it'd be more with the hourly guarantee. But all in all, not horrible for a morning. Like, I'm just trying to get this acceptance rate up and not cost myself too much money, honestly. That last Subway order wasn't high paying, but you know what, it was right there, quick drop off, and I took it. I ain't getting nothing else anyway, so I'm heading back to where I know the orders is at. 15 minutes left on this dash, so I'm hoping I get one more. I got another scheduled dash right after, but I was really hoping to just start to keep the wheels rolling as I get closer to that 50%. Not really happening just yet. It is Wednesday, so maybe when that weekend rush come through on Thursday and Friday, it'll be better around these time periods. But for right now, under 50% on the AR, still not getting them consistently. But I will say that I believe having earned by time on does change the amount of orders that you're able to get per hour and potentially work with. So there's that. You ask and you shall receive. I got McAlister's Deli. 2 items, 10 miles, and it's gonna stay right there. Oh man, I'm doing earn by time. I gotta take it. I'm raising my AR, y'all. I got this McAlister's Deli order. 3rd hand to me in a row. Order number 5 right here. Going to the motel, and guess what? It's a hand to me and nobody messaged back. I don't know where this is going. How you doing? You order something? What's the name on it? Oh man, I'm glad you're right here. I thought it was a room number. All right, well that makes it a little bit better. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna do message. So you go in the messaging part, and then when it's a hand to me, you can take a photo in the app and it sends it through the message. Yeah. No, I took a picture and I handed it to him. Both. All right. Order number 5, do me nice. Okay. Okay, so we did $29.54 for that dash. Not bad. Alrighty, so we sitting at the 2.5 hour mark, something like that. I did 29 on this dash, 29 on the first dash. And I'm about to hop right back in there, and by the time I have gotten 5 orders done. So I need them to come on through with order number 6, because I'm trying to get these first 10 orders done as quickly as possible. That'll put me closer to 50%, and I can go ahead and get up out of this bottom half of this hellhole. All right, let's get it. Back to the hot spot. Taco Bell for that taco smell. 10 of them items is sauce packets, 4.4 miles. Look at all these Amazon trucks, man. This shit crazy. Them motherfuckers got the whole gas station full. Amazon warehouse right across the street. I mean, like, man, look at this. Look at this gas station. Look, nothing but Amazon trucks. Now that's crazy. Alrighty, we got that Taco Bell dropped off. Let's see what this one turned into. That was order number 6. Okay, we got a $4.50 tip, $8.37. Yes, sir, we made it to Lion's Choice. I swear, when I was growing up, I thought this was just like a sit-down restaurant, but now it's like fast food. I don't know when that happened. All these earned by time orders be ready to go. Let's go! I cannot be stopped, man. Order number 7. I went in there, that thing was ready to go. Like, come on, man. If I'm doing this, and look, I ain't had a no-tip order yet. I had one yesterday, didn't have one yet today. Every single order, I picked up 7 orders this morning. I've been out 3 hours. Every single one been ready to go. Like, I'm not saying it's gonna be like this every time, but hell yeah, for Trader. Cause Trader need it. Stop playing with me. Hold on, let me confirm this. Boom, I got it picked up. What, we going to Edwardsville? Man, that's right up the street. Man, let's go. Ooh-wee, I cannot be stopped. Order number 7. We keeping these wheels rolling. Every single order I got today been done when I got there. You can't ask for nothing better than that when you're trying to raise your acceptance rate, because the more orders you can get done, the faster you able to raise your rate and get that money. Order number 7. Alrighty, let's see how much order number 7 pays. Lion's Choice. 8 items, 6 of them was ketchup. All right, $8.40. They look like the trend. $4.40 on the base pay, $4 tip, 20 minutes on that order. It was gonna come sooner or later. We got wasabi sushi, 4 items, 10.3 miles. I got that order in the car. Order number 8. Please don't hate. That order was ready to go, man. I cannot complain about nothing. Psych, yes I can. What is going on with all these 10-mile deliveries? Like, I get it. You 10 miles away, you hungry, you want something specific, and you order it, right? But how though? How? How is this logistically profitable for everybody involved, besides the customer getting their food for the lowest price possible? I'm not understanding. Look, just a little side thought, but we finna keep the wheels rolling. This is order number 8. I need to get 10 orders done at least before I even think about taking a break or eating anything. Cause look, I gotta go, I'm on a mission, and I cannot be stopped. I'm motivating myself. Look, I'll be the first one to just, you know what I'm saying, procrastinate, hang it up, like, look, I'm going home, it ain't nothing shaking. No, I'm not doing it this time. I'm pushing through. I'm finna get these 10 or more orders done, and I'm gonna make sure I see a difference in my acceptance rate before I come back off of this night shift. Because look, you gotta realize, when I do something, I go hard, bro. I never went soft in my life. You understand me? Never. And I ain't about to start now. We about to get these orders done. If it's a lot of miles, we driving them. And guess what? I hope we get an order when we get there, but if not, that's cool too. Stop playing with me. All right, order number 8. 10 miles away. My favorite number of miles, 10. I mean, if it's gonna be far, it might well be 10 miles, right? Ain't no point in making it 7. All righty, we got that one dropped off. Hot bag is gone in the wind, and so am I. Alrighty, I need to get 2 more orders done in the next hour so that I can have 10 orders done. I can go home, take a break, and get me something to eat. Cause I have not ate nothing all day, and I'm 8. I ain't got no time to wait. Confirm that, and we right back. What the hell is that? $6? A 9-cent tip? Oh my God. Oh my God, 9 cents? I knew it was gonna happen sooner or later. Oh, 10.4 miles. Oh my goodness, I gotta take a screenshot. And I'm outside my zone. $1 for an hour and 48 minutes on this one. 3 deliveries. Not bad. I knew it wasn't busy no more. Been out dashing for 4 hours. So we got 1 for $9.27. And then on my very next dash, I was able to scoop up $29.54. And on this final dash, I got $23.10, bringing my total to $61.91 for 4 hours. And that's pretty much been the trend, you know. Even when I was doing 4-hour stretches over there, cherry picking, working the old way last week in Webster Groves, 4 hours, I was making 60 bucks if I was lucky. And now this week with Earn by Time, it seems like that's the same trend. Every 4 hours, I'm gonna make about $60-ish. The only difference is now I'm raising my acceptance rate and I'm working towards getting out of the pool of bottom dashers. So it's going in the right direction. Only one 10-mile order today, but that's hey, I had enough yesterday, so I'm cool. So we did $62 bucks in 4 hours. I'll be back out for the night shift, see if I can get 8 more orders done, because I wanted to get 10 done, but you know what? Family's calling and family come first. So I'm finna go holler at my family, make sure everybody good. Once I know everybody good, then I'll come back out for the evening shift and try to bang out 10 more orders. Let's get it. But before we go, let's go ahead and have a peek at that acceptance rate. Boom! That boy at 40%. Let's go. That's screenshot worthy right there. So it wasn't for nothing. All that work I did yesterday and all the orders I accepted today, I made it up to 40%. So got 10 more orders to do before I'm, you know, in the clear. Well, we're gonna get it done. If you enjoyed this video, I need you to leave me with a like and a subscribe. And I also need you to check out this video right here, because that's the one YouTube wants you to go ahead and watch. And YouTube know what's up. They know what you want to see. Go ahead and check it out.